Imagine transforming a basic research notebook into a sleek, fully operational website without touching a single line of code. Sounds surprising, right?
Most people only use tools like NotebookLM to create summaries from documents, and they rely on Google Gemini mainly for answering questions.
But that approach barely scratches the surface of what these tools can really do. In this guide, I'll walk you through a powerful workflow that takes things to the next level.
It combines in-depth research with AI-driven website creation, allowing you to convert your raw notes into a professional SaaS-style website in just a few minutes.
The final result looks polished and high-end, something that would normally cost thousands of dollars to design. Let's get started.
First, open NotebookLM and set up a new notebook. Next, add a topic for your research. Notice how precise the topic is going to be. The impact of artificial intelligence on academic research. Being precise and focused with the topic at the beginning helps produce more accurate and useful insights later in the process. Instead of simply clicking the search button, choose the deep research option. This step is key. Deep research goes far beyond basic results and avoids shallow information. It carefully analyzes detailed reports, academic papers, and reliable sources. Because of this, the insights you receive are much more thorough and high quality. Once you select it, click Start to begin the process. The system will start gathering and analyzing the information. It may take a minute or two to complete, so just give it a little time. Valuable results are worth the short wait. Once the process finishes, check this out. It has pulled in about 39 high-quality sources. Not just a handful, not 10, but 67. You can click on the Sources tab to explore each one individually. Here's a feature I really appreciate. You can select or deselect any source based on what you actually want in your notebook. This way, you have complete control over the content that makes it into your research. Once you've finalized your source selection, all of your chosen materials are automatically added to the notebook, clean, organized, and ready for use. With your research notebook prepared, it's time to switch over to Google Gemini. Open the same notebook you just created in NotebookLM so Gemini can access it directly. Once it's loaded, go to the Model section and pick the Pro model. We're opting for this advanced model because we'll need stronger reasoning capabilities, especially when it comes to generating code later on. Now it's time for our very first AI instruction. Take note of how deliberate this step is. I've uploaded my notebook, which includes all the assets for the website. Before touching any code, instruct Gemini to act as a senior web architect. Ask it to analyze the notebook and propose a detailed sitemap and section-by-section structure for a single-page website. Make sure it also specifies what content should go into each section and recommends a color palette aligned with my brand guidelines. Hit Submit and let Gemini handle the rest. Right now, you're seeing Gemini go through your entire research notebook and transform it into a well-organized website blueprint. This isn't just a rough sketch, it's a complete, detailed plan. When it finishes, you'll have a defined brand color palette, a cohesive visual style, and a section-by-section layout, all prepared before a single line of code is written. For instance, Section 1 serves as the hero/value proposition. It includes the headline, subheadline, visuals, content blocks, and call-to-action buttons. Gemini continues in this way, mapping out every single section in full detail. Most people skip this step and jump straight into building, but having this structured blueprint up front completely changes the game. Once you're satisfied with the site structure, it's time for the next step. Switch over to Gemini Canvas mode. This is where the real magic happens. Enter the following prompt. This structure looks perfect. Now, act as an expert web developer. Generate the complete website code based on the agreed structure. Use the exact text from the notebook. Write everything as a single HTML file using Tailwind CSS. Include smooth scrolling and interactive hover effects. Hit submit and watch as Gemini Canvas builds your full website live right before your eyes. In just moments, your site is ready. You can inspect the full source code if you want, but the easiest way to see it is by clicking Preview. There it is, your live website. Scroll through the Hero section, Features, Strategy, Insights, all perfectly styled. The UI is clean, the brand colors are applied consistently, and the site is fully responsive and optimized from the start. At the bottom, there's even a functional login section where new users can enter their first name, last name, and work email. This isn't just a placeholder, it actually works. You can also generate a public link, copy it, open a new tab, and your website loads seamlessly in full screen. Animations are smooth, the interface feels premium, and everything functions exactly as intended. But most people would stop here. We're not stopping. Let's take it even further. Go back to Gemini Canvas and prepare to enter one more prompt. But we're not stopping here. Go back to Gemini Canvas and enter a new prompt. Act as a senior UI/UX designer. Redesign this website to resemble a modern SaaS platform. Enhance typography, spacing, animations, and visual hierarchy. Submit it and watch Gemini upgrade the design from a UX perspective. Once complete, the improvements are obvious. Subtle hover animations, refined typography, cleaner spacing, smooth button transitions, micro interactions in the login section, and a premium liquid glass effect at the top. Exactly the kind of polish you'd see in a professional SaaS product. Step back and admire the workflow. NotebookLM for deep, structured research, Gemini to architect the site, Gemini Canvas to build it without manual coding, Gemini UI/UX refinement to elevate the design.
From raw research notes to a fully interactive modern website, all powered by AI. Instead of staring at a blank page or static document, you've turned knowledge into a professional live product. If this workflow opened your eyes, subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a comment. What would you create using this system? See you in the next one.